Good evening to all my kings, queens, superheroes, and supervillains. How are you all this evening? I am still in hell. Sorry, Veneta, Oklahoma. Same thing. But have some things up and running. Kai is doing good. What am I printing, you didn't ask? Going to answer anyway. I'm gonna print that. Kind of. So Thin Air 3D made that awesome mount, and I'm going to use it and modify it slightly because I want to mount something directly to the side of this for my Octoprint. For those of you that don't know, I don't run Octoprint on a Pi. I run it on a phone. It's called Octo 4A. One of the biggest issues I have is where to put the phone, because this mount is for the live streams. Now, I could easily buy another one of those, but I'm having a hard time transporting the stuff that I have now. I'd rather have something just directly mounted to it that I don't have to worry about. Somebody asked me earlier about Boxy, or Sixy, whatever I decide to call her today. Not running yet. And the reason for that is I got a box of parts. I have a whole video coming up on that, but I haven't started that, and I really can't until Friday. And depending on how Friday looks, it might actually be Saturday. In the meantime, I hope you're all having a wonderful evening. If not, I hope it gets better. I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Stay positive, spread the positive.